Hello everyone, welcome to Supreme GIS. In the last video, we have seen how to set a project and set its projection. Now moving on to terrain, we'll know how to upload a terrain and do its visual manipulation. So first go to the file and open your project. There are two methods. By open project and browse your folder, you can go to your project and just click on file and the recent project will appear here. So this is the project I was working on. So I'll click on this. This will upload its information. Now go to the terrain. This is a RAS mapper sign symbol. Just click on this. Now go to terrain, right click, create new RAS terrain. Then click on this plus sign. Click on your DEM or DTM file. This is my DTM, high resolution DTM. Open. Now you can see the cell size and other information of this DTM. This is 0.09 meter. That is approximately 9 centimeter DTM we have to with us. 9 centimeter resolution. This is the most finest. Now, precision you can have to keep it this only. Vertical conversion you have to keep it default, and rest is all okay. Just click on uh, one more thing. File name would be terrain.hdf. This would be under a folder inside your uh, modeling folder. So yeah, you have just to click on this create and this process will start. So you can see process has been completed now. Close. Just by moving the cursor over the place, you can see the elevation value. Now the active layer converts changes its color into pink or magenta, you can say. Now click on this terrain and right click, click on image display properties. You can change the opacity. See, if you have to 2-3 layers with project, you can change the opacity. Now I'm keeping it 100%. You can also plot contours on this terrain. See, click on plot contours. This is a 5-meter interval. You can change the interval also. See, 1-meter interval, 40-meter interval, 10-meter interval, as per your requirement. If you want to see the contour, you can change it from here. And okay, see, this is what it looks like here. Now, if you want to remove these contour, what you can do, just click on this and again image display property and put off the contours by uncheck this box. Okay, now these are some tools by which we can change the display property of this terrain. or the zoom in, zoom out level. Just by the mouse roller, you can zoom in, and if you move forward, you can zoom in, and by zoom moving backward, you can zoom out. By this also, you can just click on this earth symbol and you can reset the extent of that particular terrain or DTM. You can select a region to zoom into, like I want to zoom into this process, this particular area. So I'll create a crosswire around this and I'll zoom in. And for further zoom in, I'll click on this. It will zoom it like, and for zoom out, I'll click on this. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video and find it valuable for your project. Please like, share, and subscribe. Supreme Jais. Thank you.